As you can see, the weather is absolutely magnificent. We're here for a few days. We're heading to the Blue Lagoon tomorrow, where we're going to be on a boat for most of the way, spend the day there, 3 or 4 hours at the Blue Lagoon, experiencing some of the most beautifulest Mediterranean waters there is. Today we're just walking along, interrupting people's time. You can see some jet skiers out there, water. Just up behind me here, we just had a small little Maltese Falcon, it's called, just up in the little restaurant up here behind me. Enjoy the time, enjoy the scenery. We're here with Dudu and Sarah on their honeymoon. Dudu's filming me while I'm doing this. What a tool. Nah, I'm joking, it's serious. He's just trying to hold this. All right,
Look at all the salt. Nate, come eat some of the salt. Hey Dad, what do you think?
I think this is Malta.
Deborah is up there where the lady was doing her exercise.
Oh yeah. Oh, that means she's going to do some exercise. Yeah, from taking the pack off so she can exercise.
Alright, fam bam. Let's go. Malta 2019. Woo! Is it cold?
No, not at all.
How clear's the water?
It's actually really nice.
Where are we?
Hey, in Malta.
Malta.
By the way,
Hello, we're in
Malta. Malta.
80.
Dementia.
Dementia.
So here I am at St. Julian's. I've been walking around the coast today a lot. All the fam bams going ahead of me, and I'm walking to their hotel to hang out. We're going to look after the kids tonight while Kim and Craig go out for a nice dinner and have some good time. So I'm carrying all Sarah's stuff and all the bits and pieces so we can look after the kids and hang out and play tonight. And that's really my day today. It's gonna be good though. I wanted to just sort of sleep and chill. I like these cruisy days. I just like relaxing here. It's beautiful. So yeah, that's my day. How you doing? Okay, so we just spent the whole night babysitting and hanging out at Kim's hotel.
Yeah.
Now we're walking home. It's been a great day, really big and busy day. Now we're gonna walk through a bit of the party district and then go home.
Yeah.
It's pretty busy.
Yeah, it's booming now.
Booming. It's 11:30, it's the time that everything's happening.
Yep.
So yeah, I'll see you at home. What'd you think of that?
Yeah.
It was busy, it was loud.
I'm happy we live in a quiet area.
I'm happy we live where we live. I'm happy because I got you.
I got you.
Love your wifey.
Love you.
Alright. Hey door, home time. Amo bra. Hey,
for the
hey.
dog,
Tack
hey
for the
door.
dog, tack for the frickos. Hey, hey.
Hey, dog.
Hey door. Alright, so here we are, walking the streets of Malta again. We're going to the Blue Lagoon today. So we're just woken up, it's 8:31, we've got to go get coffees, get some money out and then go see Kim at her hotel to get picked up by the connection. So it's going to be a very...
It's going to be fun because no one's going to be ready when we get there.
no one's going to be ready.
And Dudu wanted to be there earlier.
I wanted to be there
and I'm
earlier
like,
to yell
nah,
at chauffeur.
they can manage.
They have managed. Wow, it's purple over there.
Yeah.
Alright,
It
so...
says possibility of rain today.
That's alright, Blue Lagoon.
extra blue, hey?
You wanna hear the rude thing?
Yeah.
You've already been there.
Yeah.
So, latte for me, Sarah's gonna have water, and we're just gonna get there. That's pretty much our morning now. I slept really well. How'd you sleep, Bear?
Like a log. I couldn't wake up. Someone put the room on 30 degrees. I'm like, oh, sleepy.
You do know it was actually on 18 till 5 o'clock this morning.
Oh, I wasn't awake at 5 o'clock this morning.
18.
That
Hey,
was
look,
nice.
there's our Honda.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go and get drunk now. Hey, door. Hey, door. So we are now out of the hotel room and we're all together.
Freezing on top of them.
Sort of.
Do you want your jumper, Otto?
We're all together like
No?
boogity 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 boo shooby
Sorry,
boo
I'm gonna put her
bang
on.
bang shangity bang. Oh.
I'm surprised that you know that song.
I had to listen to that 1,000 times in high school for the musical, the Grease musical, ABBA. I know all those songs for some reason. So anyway, I'm having a great day. Can I sing what?
Or if you want your jumper or your tie, baby.
ABBA, 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 ABBA. There you go.
ABBA in the ABBA museum, didn't
Yeah, we sang on stage.
Yeah,
we
we
kicked
sang on
ass.
stage.
All right, so now we're gonna wait for our bus. Oh, there it is, Kim.
we?
Oh, you danced as well.
We danced and we sang. I didn't sing those well. Or danced very
All right. Anyway,
I like they did a double. You danced.
well. Yeah.
all right. I love my family. Hey Bear, where are we?
At the transfer to the Blue Lagoon cruise.
Having fun down there? Oi, where are we?
On a bus
Going where?
to the Blue Lagoon.
Yeah. Well, we're here. We jump on the boat and that's it. Go across the Blue Lagoon. Last time we were here, this was our first stop to pick up more people to go across because we got it from
Really
Villenta.
lovely to see the coastline a bit.
It was super nice.
Yeah,
What'd you think?
I like it.
I love it. I love it. All right.
Yeah. That's extra. Okay.
Hey Bear, where are we?
Oh, Malta.
There's Fat Man. There's
To the Blue
Bear.
Lagoon.
There's Mama. Here's me. We're heading to the Blue Lagoon. It's cold. It's windy. It's not that bad.
It's not too bad.
It's pretty cool. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always hungry.
It's exactly 10:44. We've been on the boat probably for about 15 minutes. We've been on the boat for about 45 minutes.
We needed to bring our own lunch pack,
Oh, we did?
or we buy from the boat here.
Yeah, fun on the boat. Oh. But yeah, awesome.
Kim told me in December sometime that she bought the trip without food, complimentary.
Oh well.
I forgot until he said, "Oh, I sell cheap food."
Oh, good.
Then I'm like, "Oh
He
yeah."
sells cheap food. So we'll figure it out. But it's fun, it's awesome, it's beautiful and blue.
Very similar to the Manly Ferry.
The
Alright.
music is awful.
Love you, Hedo.
The only thing I can
Alright, here we are at one of the caves. We were here many, many years ago. It hasn't changed much, but it's still beautiful.
I don't know how that works, but yeah. Ta-da!
Selfie. It's hard to grasp that we're on a boat. Oh wow!
Yeah, we went on a tiny boat though. Look at this big boat.
This?
Get this.
Oh wow! Look,
Look at the boat.
we're in the cave.
We're fully in the cave. There's a Deborah.
see down, Ma?
Look at this boat! It's full in!
Mum,
Can't hold this
did
one.
you look down?
Red Bull the fire.
How clear is it?
Beautiful, eh? I can't believe they got this whole boat in here. Huh?
The only thing I'd be worried about is
If it collapses?
the very edge. You can see some of the stuff's already fallen. So as soon as you see a little bit more dirt come down, I'd be out of here like a shot. The bird, oh yeah, bird.
How cool, eh?
Hey, hang on, that's Sarah's line.
I did not believe he would fit in here.
Yeah, quite impressive.
Yeah.
Sneaky.
Wow.
That's
look,
cool.
Look at the crumbling nature of the roof. See the dirt layer underneath? And some of it you can see is actually falling.
Look how blue it is. So clear.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
It's
I didn't think the boat would fit.
Clearer. What do you think, Dad? Was that cool?
That was, until it collapsed on top of everybody.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, you all know that Malta is a small island, and on the island of Malta we don't have any elephants. But on the island of Camino we have one. Has anybody spotted an elephant this morning?
Yep.
Yep.
I don't think so. So, ladies and gentlemen, go onto the right-hand side of the boat and start looking from where we came from. So go onto the right-hand side of the boat and start
Hello.
looking from where we came from.